Put the RR2 into the engraving area. Select the appropriate connecting cable. Connect one end of the cable to the Y-axis terminal of the engraving machine. And connect the other end to the RR2. Position the RR2 correctly and keep it horizontal with the machine. Insert the power cable and turn on the machine. Use the focal gauge to adjust the focal length of the laser module. Click the settings on the screen. Click Machine, Working Mode, R-Roller Mode. Return to the home page. Click Projects, SD card. Select the engraving picture. Set the engraving parameters. Adjust the size of the picture. Click the frame button to view the engraving area. Click to start engraving.